Good morning, everybody. It's time for another delicious edition of Texas Oatmeal. And today is a beautiful day in the great state of Tejas. And we're taking the Vanderhall out because what else do we do on this channel except Vanderhall stuff? Sorry, all you Nissan people. My truck is still exactly how I made it from like my very original videos of it. I've done nothing to it. I say that. That's not true. These wheels are gray now. They were black. They're like the black wheel skins that you can buy off eBay or whatever for like 80 bucks. I painted them gunmetal gray because I don't want to be like everybody else. So that's a little different. But other than that, we've done nothing to the truck. So we're taking the Vanderhall out today. This is our first anniversary event of our North Texas Vanderhall Owners group. So we're going up to Freedom Power Sports in McKinney, which is where I actually bought my car from. Auto Cycle for you people that are like, what do you call it a car? So we're going up to Freedom Power Sports. They're doing an event today. We're hosting the event. I don't know, there's like 15 of us going. So it should be pretty awesome with the number of Vanderhalls that are showing up. And it should be a good time. So we're gonna fire this bad boy up, get a little cold start, and head on out. I'm driving the long way because we're gonna take some roads on the way back. And I wanna make sure they're actually okay before we bring the whole group with us. Brian, I'm looking at you for these back road adventures. So we're gonna jump in the car, get it warmed up, and head on out. Got them all set up for the photo op here. This is the marketing lady getting her photo in. Now Jamie's car shopping. Can't figure out how to get out though. She's stuck in there forever.
I don't know.
Pull up on it. You gotta pull up and probably push up on the door a little bit. No? Well, you're stuck then. You're done. You can't get out. It's yours. Bye.
One more can. My knees don't last that long down here.
I know, we're waiting on Hank. We're waiting. We've been waiting.
Everybody say COVID. I gotta get back up for a second.
Billy's too old to stay squatting.
I think I speak for everyone in this room that we are so thankful that you created this group. You have made friendships. You have brought so many people together. We have a Vander fam because of you, Jamie. We love you, and we can't imagine life without this group. I think most of us live for the moments we all get to be together and hang out. You did that for all of us, and we're so very thankful. So this is serious.
Well, we've had a great little get-together for our first annual North Texas Vanderhall Owners group. Freedom Power Sports McKinney did a great job hosting. They really just provided the hot dogs over there. Brian French did an amazing job standing in the background of the video. But yeah, everybody showed up and did we all had a great time. Had some hot dogs, and you know, so now we're gonna go on a little drive to OMG Creamery because that's where we go. That was like, I think that was our first event, was OMG Creamery over in Wiley. So that's where we're going now, and I think everybody's going. There's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 of us. We lost one guy. We had 12 here earlier. But yeah, so we're gonna head out and do that. So randomly, this group shows up and they want to get a prom picture in Daniel's Vanderhall. So he's gonna let him. What happened? I missed it.
I'm very
And just like that, we are back from an awesome day. It's actually the next day. I forgot to film an outro, but I wanted to say thank you, Jamie, for putting everything together. You're really the leader of this group, and without you, we wouldn't exist, because you were the first and only North Texas Vanderhall owner at the time. So, and our group chat is going off like crazy right now. So, thank you again, Freedom Power Sports, Jamie White, everyone in the group for showing up and being amazing and making me feel welcome into the Vander fam, as we've started to call it. And yeah, I mean, I look forward to many other events and rides. It's been a great experience this whole year. I mean, everybody in the group is like family at this point. I see them more than I see my own family. Sorry, Mom. You know, it's just so fun to get out and drive this thing and be a part of an amazing group of people. So thanks again. And that's gonna be it for today. So we'll see you next time. Peace. About to get the perfect shot. Going the extra mile. Look at that, like a pro.
It's like a
You've
gift.
done that before, haven't you?
I'm a fearless guy.
You know what it is? This is your cameo in the video. This is the money shot.
That's all I'm about, Jack. That's the story of my life.
That's right.
It's all on video too, which is really weird. But that's Cammy's thing, not mine.
That's not Cammy, that's Jamie. So you pointed, don't let Billy know what you
Can somebody please get Orville and Wilbur Wright out of the picture?